The Baofeng UV-17L tri-band radio covers very high frequency, 136 to 174 MHz, 220 to 260 MHz, and 400 to 520 MHz, giving hobbyists and emergency users excellent flexibility on the air. Its 5-watt maximum transmit power and sensitive receiver provide surprisingly strong range and clear audio for a compact handheld, especially in open areas or line-of-sight conditions. A bright 1.77-inch color display with both frequency and channel views makes it easy to monitor multiple channels and adjust settings without digging through complicated menus. The modern Type-C charging port lets you top up the lithium-ion battery from a power bank, vehicle adapter, or computer, which is very convenient for travel and field use. Wireless frequency cloning between compatible radios simplifies setup for groups, so everyone can quickly match channels and privacy codes without manual programming. Useful extras like the integrated flashlight, included earpiece, belt clip, and lanyard make this radio ready to use out of the box for camping, events, or neighborhood communication.